Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce. I'm a software engineer. Today I'm going to talk with you about building a listserv in Microsoft Outlook. Now, Microsoft Outlook is an email client or an email front-end application. It doesn't have a listserv capability like Majordomo or Microsoft Exchange has. But you can build something similar to that, which is like a distribution list that will allow you to send email to a list of recipients, and the Microsoft Outlook client will blast it out like a list server will. And then your recipients will then get the email, which will show who else received the email, and they can do a reply all. So you kind of get the same effect, but you can't use Microsoft Outlook as a list server. To do this, you want to go to you want to go to File, then New, then Distribution List. And you want to give it a name. And then you can add members to it. You can select members. I'm going to add myself to it. Okay. And so you can pull members from to be on the list from your contacts, from your address books, or whatever. You can also add them manually if they're not in your address books. Say you got a business card or something you got from someone that has their email on it and you want to add it to a distro list. You can do it this way. Once you get done, you just save and close it. And then to send to the distro list, what you do, you say New Email, select To, and then you can just go select your distribution list, say OK, then type out your email the way you want it, and it will hit send, and it will send it to everybody on the distribution list, and they will also see who got it. And so if they want to reply to the distribution list in a list server-like manner, they can just hit reply all and send to everybody too. My name is Matthew Pierce. Today we talked about listservs in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.